All right. Well, welcome to another edition of Behind the Waterfall, America's oldest running talk show and the only place a talk show can happen anymore. Behind the Waterfall. We're safe behind the waterfall. Thanks for being here. Is anybody watching at all? Anybody? Squiggly John. Squiggly John. My oldest friend. Squiggly John's the only other living person in the county, still trying to preserve the legacy of late night TV and comedy and just, that uplifting feeling you get at the end of your day. And in that spirit, we will move on to monologue jokes. So I hope you folks like them. Okay, the other day, the wheel to the wheelbarrow broke. You guys hear about this? You hear about this, John? No? Yeah, I guess now it's just going to be called a barrow. And that's the only joke that I was able to come up with for the monologue this time around. I had a pretty bad encounter with one of the monsters. I'm happy to be here with you, and I'm happy to have my next guest here with me too. You know him, you love him, King of the Waterfall. It's Squiggly John. Come on down. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh man, I've known this guy. I've known this guy for a while. How's it going, John? How's it going?
My wife died.
Yeah. And that's tough. Okay, so we have a really fun segment here. It's called Headlines. I know it's a favorite of John's. We go through newspapers, we go through news broadcasts, just all the fun stuff where you can find some wacky headlines and mistakes and mix-em-ups and have a laugh about the state of the world. So we pulled this next headline from the last newspaper that came out 8 months ago. And it's Death Angels, Reign of Destruction. And that's pretty funny. I don't know why they would be Death Angels. So I don't know who the editor on that was. They're clearly demons. Right? We're surrounded by demons. So, that guy would have gotten fired if things hadn't gone the way they did. Alright, so we have another fun segment for you. This is a Man on the Street segment in the proud tradition of jaywalking, and it's a prank show. Roll the clip.
Psst. Hey buddy.
Hey, I'm just passing through on my way to Atlanta. I'm not intruding.
No, not at all, you dodo. You're about to get pranked.
What?
Pranked! He just got so pranked. There's plenty more where that came from. Stay tuned.
And that's pranking. And he got pranked.
That was murder.
Yeah, it killed me. So funny.
What you did was murder.
Yeah. There's no such thing as murder in the world anymore, John.
Oh no!
No.
Oh no! No! You killed my wife too, you bastard!
There's no such thing as death!
You
There's no
son of a
such thing
bitch.
as death!
You